bikers guys. Oh, wow. Mga bikers. Bike Express. Bundok na bundok tayo ngayon guys. 3 hours naman binahe ito. 3 hours kami aakyat sa bundok. Oh my God. Pupunta na ng bundok para maglakad. Then 3 hours. 3 hours travel, 3 hours hike. So bali 6 hours. Then uwi pa kami another 3 hours. Ay, 9 hours lahat. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Inday Chen. Dito po guys, nasa Lalashant National Forest Recreation tayo area. So ito po yung mga guide natin. Mga pictures lang muna kung anong mayroon dito. Usually kasi dito is mga old forest. Napakatagal na po na mga puno na hindi na po pwedeng putulin. Naka-reserve na po ito ng mga puno. So, ilang years na po ito sila ng mga puno at saka naging national park na. So, let's store na, guys.
Oh my God. It's a tree. It's a tree. Huh? Wait lang. I cannot. Casey. Oh! Where's the sign? Number 4 na ma? So, it's like a old.
Oh. 这是年轻小伙子。
So 这个 number, wow, 真的 big. Wow. Oh, what number 4? Like here. I'll show what is this number. 这老木都被围起来。这个 only 326 years old. Yeah. So first, kanta 1,000 years old. This one is not old, but it's big. Wow. Oh my God, it's so old tree. Ang dami pa rin guys. Ito naman is 992 years. Giant wood. It's reserved here. There, into woods. Grabe, ang ganda. You know guys, mayroon pa siya ditong water sounds. Tapos ganyan maakyat yung bundok. Tapos may tumutunog pang ibon. See, ang laki ng mga puno. So nature. Nasa kagubatan ka. Walang kataw-taw. Look at guys. It's so cool. Number 5. Number 6 I should continue. How old? How old? Tayo siya how old ma? 848 niyan. Taman sa musita, taman sa G-plant ma. Hello, man kay stand by side down, no? Okay, go inside. Oh my God. Wow, 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 wow. Next is number 6 tree. They're up. Oh my God, non-stop. This so nature. May ano pa. Spring. Sarap pakinggan. Dito ka magtambay-tambay. This tree is lightning strike. That's why number 8 tree. Tingnan nyo guys, oh. Grabe pala katindi ang kuryente, makaigo na. Nabutas yung kahoy, oh. Oh, pak, oh, putol. Oh, diba? Ganyan ang mga thunderstorm.
特别是在 对啊，复数起来是啊。
Oh, 1,178 years na siya, guys. Oh my God. It's so big and old. So, di pa tayo pinanganak. Ipinanganak na tong puno na to. Video this one, guys. Oh. Natsumba ang puno. Ang laki. Dito pala kalaki. Oh, yan. Matingin. The view is so big. You can fall down sa tree, oh. Wow. Ta become bridge na ne. Kaya become bridge. Yun, hai ito ko. Wow.
味道。
我看一下。What happened?
这是23啊。
Oh, 23.
2020年。
So inside like this. 是真的 strong 吗？哦，真的很硬吗？真的很硬。Wow.
不然呢？
这可以 go up 吗？会 slide. Oh my God. 1,478 years old. More old. Ay, Diyos ko, Lord. Kailangan nakakita ng ganito katandang mga trees.